Founded in 1979 by Volker Fischer, the company Fischer GmbH has developed into a global and innovative pioneer in the field of plastic blasting media. Today, Andreas Fischer is the second generation to manage the company in conjunction with his father and is responsible for the continuous development of blasting media in line with the demands of the market. If it doesn't work, we don't use it. The production process starts with high-quality molded parts made from 100% hardened urea or melamine molding compounds, as well as acrylic sheets, which are checked and pre-ground. The granulates used for the manufacture of Fischer JETplast then go through several crushing, sieving and checking stations until the desired plastic blasting media is produced, refined and packaged. Always available for delivery. No bottlenecks. After production and a stringent quality check, the material is packaged into bags, boxes or drums. Our plastic blasting media, Fischer JETplast, is then sorted into consignment or standard high bay storage. Quality and precision are our benchmarks. Samples from each batch of Fischer JETplast are sieved, analyzed and documented in our laboratory in accordance with the stipulations of the US Air Force military specifications MIL P85891 and are stored for between 3 and 4 years. Just in time? For us, that goes without saying. With warehousing facilities covering approximately 2,500 square meters, we offer our customers rapid and direct delivery at all times. Excellent quality, performance, service and guaranteed supply even at short notice. Fischer GmbH.